Welcome back to another series for the cloud. Welcome back to another video for the cloud series. Rather, I'm going to go over some security troubleshooting techniques, and for my exercise in this video, I'm going to be examining and performing security troubleshooting. Now, I'm going to go over concepts associated with privilege for the most part, authentication, authorization, security groups, keys or certificates, misconfigured or applied policies like data security issues, exposed endpoints, misconfigured or failed security practices or appliances, rather, unsupported protocols, and external and internal attacks. I'm also going to troubleshoot users in an Ubuntu server environment, granting certain users pseudo access, changing passwords, and examining what users do have pseudo access, right? So first, I'm going to start off with examining security troubleshooting concepts. So I'm going to go over a few of those things, but and to showcase these things, I'm actually going to start off with Server Manager here. I'm going to open up Hyper-V. There we go. Perfect. How you doing, Hyper-V? Now we're going to click here. All right. And we're going to import a virtual machine, of course. All right. And next, browse. All right. And 29. Pretty much the same Ubuntu machine from before. This folder here. All right. That's selected, so we're good. All right, and we want to copy the virtual machine, of course. All right. And that's fine. Storage folders, that's fine. Delete. Perfect. So the copying process, of course, has begun. And then we're going to start in Ubuntu 29 in just a second. So now I'm logged into the Ubuntu server. So I want to see a list of all the users that's on the system. So I'm going to use this command to take a look at that list. COMPGN -U. All right, so I can see all of these. So the last four users, as we can see here, right? Pretty much help desk 01, help desk 02, sysadmin 01, 02. These are the users that I want to configure. So we're going to be actually granting the sysadmin users pseudo privileges. So we'll make sure that the help desk users do not have pseudo privileges. So now I'm going to find out exactly what users currently have pseudo privileges. So let's do group pseudo type. Okay. So now I can see that the only user that has pseudo privileges is the Ubuntu user that I'm currently logged in as. So now I'm just going to add sysadmin01 user to the pseudo group. So I'll do this with user sysadmin pseudo. Perfect. Perfect. That's done. Now I'm going to see, now we see sysadmin01 has been added to the group, to the pseudo group. Now I'm going to add sysadmin2 here. Okay, come on. Looks like it wants to take its time. Okay, there we go. Perfect. I love it when it's very quick. So now I'm going to clear out the terminal window so I don't have much information in front of me. So I'm going to clear that out. Now to confirm who I'm logged in as, I'm going to use this command. Let's see, who am I? Ubuntu. So I can see now that I'm logged in as the Ubuntu user. So it also shows in the prompt the pretty much this whole Ubuntu 00 here, which is important because I might come across a Linux server terminal that does not display the username in the prompt. So I just wanted to point that out. Now I'm going to switch users to actually the sysadmin 01. So to do that, I'm going to do this here. Okay, yeah, I did that. Wrong. Not paying attention. All right, perfect. Now you can see that I'm logged in as a sysadmin 1, but I'm going to confirm here. I can see exactly who am I. So I'm going to change the password now for sysadmin 02. So okay, perfect. So there we go. Now the new password, okay, perfect. Updated successfully, perfect. So now that I got the confirmation, I'm going to change the password for the user help desk 01 also with pretty much the same command. All right. Let's see what the new password should be. Perfect. Updated successfully. Perfect. Now I'm going to change the password for help desk 02. So all right, perfect. Perfect. So now that I got that confirmation as well. So now I'm going to switch users over to help desk 01. I'm going to do that with this here. First, I'll need the password I just created. And I'm officially logged in and I can double check who am I, and I can see I'm logged in as the help desk 01. Now I'm going to see if I'm able to make changes to a sudo user with the help desk 01 user who does not have sudo privileges. So I'm going to try to change the password for sysadmin 02. So let's see. Okay. It's not in the sudoers file, so this incident will be reported. Awesome. So the response back for the terminal, right, is that it's not in the sudoers file. So the incident is going to be reported this because the help desk 01 user does not have sudo privileges. Now I'm going to check to see what users does have sudo privileges. So we're going to type what we typed in a bit earlier. I'm going to do a pipe here. Right. Let's see, Ubuntu sysadmin 01, sysadmin 02. Right, so neither help desk 01 or 02 users are listed as sudo users. So I'm going to switch to users so I can perform sudo command. So I'm going to log in as sysadmin 02. So do that. And of course, password. Yeah, I know I got it wrong. Actually, I forgot I changed it. Let's see. Here we go. There we go. All right, perfect. So we're good to go there. So now I'm logged in as a sysadmin 02 user. So I'm going to create a new user, sysadmin 03. So go and the password. Perfect. And a new password. Perfect. Now, I got the option to add usually a full name, like a room number, work phone, home phone, and a few other things, but I'm just going to enter through all of these because it's only for informational purposes only. That just doesn't have any effect on my configuration at all. All right, so I'm officially logged in as the sysadmin02 user. So now I'm going to add sysadmin03 user to the sudo group. So I love how quick that is. So let's take a look at everyone that has sudo privileges. And perfect. This admin03 has officially been added to the sudo group. And we can see with the confirmation here. And we can also see that we can confirm this is the end of the video. For security troubleshooting techniques, we didn't really get too much of a deep dive into it, but at least just enough to go over a few things, mainly defining and describing some security troubleshooting concepts and performing some security troubleshooting tasks as well. This was another fun one. Can't wait to get to the next one. Actually, I believe we just have one more for the cloud series, and I'll be going over cloud networking concepts, cloud networking troubleshooting concepts. Sorry about that. And until then, till the next video, stay curious, stay secure.